How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps to your Firestick device. The whole process is actually pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And now, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on Downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to Settings on your Firestick, so click that button with a gear icon. Then you have to scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make one appear. Just go to About, select Firestick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go back to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it and here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Latvia right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. And now we go back to the list of apps on your device and finally open up Downloader on your Firestick. Then here just open the search bar, and there we'll need to enter a code which will be 3875510. So once again, the code is 3875510. That's the code you have to enter. Then you click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel. And now the download of the app has finally started. It usually takes only a couple of seconds. After that, you have to click install and wait a bit until the app is fully installed to your Firestick device. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And now finally let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it up. And here you will find the app that we just downloaded. I just had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube might not like it, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. In fact, that's one of the best spicy apps that you can get to your Firestick in 2025. It's totally free to use and got millions of movies inside. So I hope you enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.